In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use the ant bait in Grounded 2. So what we're going to do firstly, I'm going to click on E as inventory on my keyboard and then I should be taken here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to equip the ant bait right here. I'm going to actually drag it right here. So I have it in my hot pouch here. So if I click on 4, I can just quickly get it up. So now I'm just going to run and try this out on an ant. So I'm going to take, I think it's called like a soldier ant, and I'm pretty sure there is one right here. So I'm just going to see if there is one here actually. I believe that there is. So I'm going to equip the, okay, here it is, as you can see. So let's just throw it right there and see what it does. And as you can see, it actually starts eating it right here. So this basically gives us the perfect time to be able to attack. So I'm just going to keep, I mean, I didn't do it the best way, to be honest. There is probably better ways to attack and take more damage. But yeah, you can also, by the way, pick it up afterwards. It's pretty cool. But yeah, this is basically exactly how to use the ant bait in Grounded 2.